Today we are talking about the formation of benzoquinones and their properties. Benzoquinones can be formed at the 1,2 position, the ortho position, or they can be formed at the 1,4 position, the para position. However, they cannot be formed at the meta position because there isn't a place on the ring to form another bond. Therefore, conjugation within the ring does not occur and aromaticity is broken. Benzoquinones are carbonyl derivatives and are a class of cyclic diketones. Two key rules must be met in order to form a benzoquinone. First, there must be at least one hydrogen at each position for a total of 2 hydrogens. Second, there must be conjugation within the ring. For example, we have a p-benzene diol. The first rule is met by the hydrogen atoms attached to the hydroxy groups at the 1 and 4 position, giving a total of 2 hydrogens. The second rule is met by the conjugated benzene ring. Benzoquinone is formed through an oxidation process where a sequence of proton loss is followed by an electron loss. Here we have a p-benzenediol. A loss of a proton gives us a phenoxide ion. A loss of an electron gives us a phenoxy radical. Another loss of proton gives us a semiquinone, which is resonance stabilized. A final loss of another electron gives us our product benzoquinone. How do we get from the semiquinone to the benzoquinone? It's just a transfer of electrons. Here we have a semiquinone with 2 oxygen radicals at the 1 and 4 position. The first step is that an electron off one of the oxygen radicals will come down and form a double bond with one of the electrons from the neighboring double bond. The other electron will go to the 2 position to form a radical. The second step is that the radical in the 2 position will come down and form a double bond with one of the electrons from the other double bond. The remaining electron will move to the 4 position as a radical. The last step is that the radical at the 4 position and an electron from the oxygen radical will come together to form a double bond. This gives us the product benzoquinone. To get the reaction to occur, we need reagents such as silver oxide and sodium dichromate. They allow for the formation of benzoquinone because they are oxidizing agents.